Okay, we've got an exciting announcement for any coreSTORE user. And if you are an FFL or gun shop owner, you are going to want to listen to this because we've got an integration with Accurate Auctions. Now, Accurate Gun Auctions is like nothing else in the industry. We've got Jeremy here from Accurate Gun Auctions. Give us a little bit of background about how the system works and what the advantages are of Accurate Gun Auctions versus a dealer trying to list multiple guns themselves.
Well, what benefit is we do a white glove service. So our competitors, you got to do all the work. With us, we take care of all the work. Basically, you ship us the gun. We're going to have a professional photographer take it in our professional photographer lab. We got about 15 pictures. Our users who buy our guns love our pictures. That's one thing they talk about, that our pictures show the true gun. So they're comfortable on bidding on the gun, which means to you, you get higher bids with more money back in your pocket. Like you said, we pay for shipping. So you pop it in the box, you put the information in the Coreware software. It's going to give you a label, put the label and ship it to us, and then we'll get the bill and we'll take care of that shipping, that label. We have an auction roughly 4 to 6 weeks. So your turnaround, you'll have a check within 6 weeks of sending us the gun, depending on where it is in the auction. Sometimes you might get it in 4 weeks. We have a huge following that come to the auction. We have a 60,000 email list that we send out the email catalog every month. So we get the crowd, we get the guns, we get the best value for the dealers. It's a great way to turn around guns that's been sitting on your shelf for 90 days and not making any money. Send them to us, we'll get sold. Now you have money to buy something that is going to make you money. What might not sell in your geographic area might sell somewhere else in the USA for more, or will sell and then we'll get it sold for you. So a great option for your dealers.
Awesome. And the other thing to think about is the time it takes to list items yourself as a dealer on other platforms. You can have that white glove service for less or around the same fee. And as Jeremy said, a lot of times they collect more money because it is that premium auction and they've got such great reach. Now here's the really cool thing. Go into your bound book in coreSTORE, you're going to see a filter where you can select your used guns and look at your aging. So it'll show you, hey, what used guns have you been sitting on? You can select all of those guns, click 1 or 2 buttons, and immediately have a shipping label to send all of those guns over to Accurate Gun Auctions. They're going to take it from there. So you're not paying for people to take pictures, to box them up, to dispose them one by one. Quick as a flash, you've got dozens or just one gun listed on one of the coolest live auctions. Hey, you can have a watch party with your staff and see where your really unique guns are going. We're actually here at their facility and there's some cool stuff. We got to see some Uzis and some other neat relics. So really everything from just your standard, used trade-ins all the way up to the incredibly rare. This is going to be a great way for you to boost your revenue. And if you are a dealer looking for some new lines of business, what you're able to do is create a whole new revenue stream because, hey, you know what? Even if you only have 1 or 2 salespeople, you can be the go-to spot because coreSTORE is so quick and fast with the trade-in button for bringing in guns from your walk-in customers. Bring those straight into the bound book and kick them right back out with minimal manpower. So, hey, be the top used gun dealer in your zip code by partnering with Accurate Gun Auctions.
Sounds like a plan. And we are an FFL dealer. We are a Coreware customer. So we use the Coreware bound book. So when you select us in your Coreware bound book, it automatically moves over to our bound book. And then our FFL will have it listed from you. So everything's legal, everything is accounted for. And then we take care of the shipping to the end user. If it's sold to a private individual, then we'll ship it to a local FFL of their choice. And then they'll take care of the 4473. If it's sold to somebody local in Florida that wants to come pick it up in our office, they can. They'll use our 4473 through the Coreware software and we'll get it done that way also. It's fully integrated, a lot less work than any other platform out there, and very price competitive to where you keep more money in your pocket.
Yep, you'll be proud seeing the quality of photography that your guns will have when they're listed up on the site. And again, they pay for the shipping. So think about if you're sending in 10 guns, rather than you having to print out 10 different labels to send to some end customer, throw them all in one box, they cover the shipping and you're squared away. And we've got a great special rate for you if you're a Coreware user.
Sounds good. We're looking forward to the integration and selling a bunch of guns for your users.
Likewise. Thanks, Jeremy.